Good morning guys. Tatry kong ang aking bagong laruan ngayon. Ayan, papunta kami sa ayun ko saan kami pupunta. Yatin namin yung sasakyan para sa change oil. Sama ang aking darling. Ayan, ako ang kanyang sidekick ngayon. Kita ko sa inyo ang daan. See it from here. So when we get the truck, I'll put the the prey to stick in the bird here, and then we just put this one. This is the How many minutes to go there, honey?
Depending on traffic, could be half hour. I've never gone at this time of the morning, so I don't know what traffic is going to be like.
It's like half hour
I usually go around 8:30.
before.
Anytime I go to the base this early, it's around 8:30.
So this is where we go before in your.
Yeah, I'm going to a different gate.
So pupunta siguro kami guys sa somewhere in papuntang Azizia. Maybe. Tingnan natin kasi di rin niya alam, hindi niya masabi kung saan. So yung daan namin dito.
Wish I could just go to the base. Shit.
But you did not bring the paper. You have to do it again tomorrow.
Well, it depends on what time I get this car back. If I get it back early enough, I can go check the mail and get that done. I don't have to do it tomorrow. But I don't know. I don't know what time they're gonna get this car done. I'll ask them.
They open already here.
I wonder where that goes.
It's Al Shamal Road. You can also go going to Doha. You know?
Okay. So that would take you to Doha.
Yeah, you can also go to you can go also to that way. So, yung bandang kanan guys, yun yung doon banda, yun ang religious complex. Kung saan nandun din yung Philippine School. Yun naman yung sa kanan uli. Yun yung Barwa City. Makita mo yung mga building nandiyan. Yun ang Barwa City. So, palagay ko parang diretso kami. Wala. Hindi niya masabi. You can go the same way we are going to the base.
Maybe.
It's very easy. We will go to your agency, right?
No.
No?
We're going to the base.
We're going to the base?
Yeah, gate 2. It's a different gate.
Oh, shit. Then I'm not allowed to go
No, we're not going in the base. We're going outside the base.
outside the base. Punta pala kami sa guys, sa Malapit sa base. Sa campus. How do you see it again? Campus.
Campus.
Campasalia. Ang hirap din kasi ng mga ano nila dito, lugar. Pangalan ng kanilang ano, lugar. So ang ganda dito, walang ka-traffic-traffic. Napakaluwag ng kalsada. New industrial area. So mag-exit kami dun sa ano, exit Walker. Pero hindi kami pupunta Walker. And dyan kami mag-exit Al Rayyan. Ayan. Exit kami dyan, Al Rayyan. Ang kinaganda nito guys na ng GoPro 8, pwede mo siyang mayroong siyang app sa cellphone. So habang nagre-record ka, pwede mo siyang makita dito sa cellphone. Dito mo siya i-control sa cellphone. Saka automatic mag-save na siya dun sa cellphone. Kasi meron siyang app sa cellphone na GoPro. Pwede mo rin siyang gusto mong i-change yung ano kasi yung halimbawa yung settings, pwede rin meron din siya dito sa cellphone. So dito pa exit na kami pa Al Rayyan. Dati dito, di ba to alam ng asawa ko, ako nag-tour sa kanya, dito ka dumaan at walang ka-traffic, walang maraming stoplight. Ang stoplight nito doon na sa ano, sa may roundabout. Big roundabout. Kailan lang din to inopen, bago lang din to inopen. Dati kasi doon pa kami sa kabila dumadaan. Sa Misamer. Hindi ko ma-pronounce. Campasilia. Basta may Celia, yun na yun. Eh, nakikita niyo yung building na yan nandyan. Kaya na nandyan. Nandyan. Yun yung ano, Dragon Mart. Kahit saan talaga merong ano, Chinese mall, ano ba? Dragon Mart yan yung Dragon Mart. Pero sabi, hindi daw open yan. Hindi ko alam. Wala na daw yan. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan. Pero lagi ako dyan nagda-drop noon ng ano, pasahero. Pero yung papasok ko sa loob mag-shopping o mag-window shopping, hindi. Never pa. Never pa ako nakapasok dyan. Doon pa yung sa harap. So ito, iba na ang, yeah, it close nga. Yeah, it's close, right? So nandito na tayo sa industrial. Yan yung company ng sasakyan ko. Kia Motors. So pag dire-diretsuhin mo to guys, ano na, sa Bellagio. Yeah, we're eating here, Anya.
I know, honey, I know. So, nandyan yung maraming mga company. Dyan sa industrial. So, halos makikita mo dyan mga lalaki. Kaya natatakot ako minsan drop off ng passenger dyan. Yeah. Balik tayo dito guys. Aspire. Yeah. Pag dire-diretso mo rito sa Aspire. Aspire, then Bellagio. Miss ko yung mamasahero. Kasi pag namasahero ka, kung saan bilang makarating. Pero minsan naman nakakatakot kasi hindi mo alam yung pasahero mo eh. Lalo na pag lalaki. Natatakot ako. No, I was selective. I miss driving. Yeah.
Picking up passenger, but sometimes I feel scared when it's men, and especially dropping them far. It's like nowhere. I mean, far from the houses, building.
What the fuck are you doing?
Huh.
I swear.
Dito na tayo sa guys, sa malaking roundabout. Kakaliwa kami dito papuntang Camp Basilia. Ayaw ko tama bang mag-pronounce ka. So no traffic.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, but if this Thursday, it will be traffic. Thursday is traffic. May katabi kaming Kataray na sundalo. So remember before when we go to my sister, we go this way, roundabout left and then first right. But you know the easiest way, you just go down and straight, and then from the stoplight you have to make U-turn, and then the second right you have to take right. It's easy than going in this way here. Go. You don't want.
Yeah, let's go and go. He's not gonna go far. Where's he gonna go? These people, they're in a rush to go nowhere.
Remember this way? We went there before, yeah, that one here. Going all the way to my mind. You can also go from here in your work, right?
I go straight, straight, straight.
Yeah, all straight. And all straight. It's USA, USA is Riyadh.
Takes you to Saudi.
Yeah, thanks. So, dito na kami exit kami sa Al Mutar. That's Riyadh. And then, ano kami dyan sa, akit kami sa bridge. Pakaliwa kami, pakaliwa. So, nandito din yung banda ang mga, jail. Tama pa magka-pronounce ko. Detention jail. Oh, kung saan yung nagtatrabaho ang aking kaibigan na si Kabayan's Corner. Yan, dyan siya nagtatrabaho. Shout out pala. Guys, shout out pala sa aking team guwapo dyan. Mga tol. Okay ba kayo dyan? Yako? So, dito na kami, packet na kami sa bridge. At magkakaliwa kami. So, it's not that far. It's very, very quick. There's no traffic. Just don't go on Friday because you will stuck in the roundabout. Still traffic. Yan, dito na kami sa taas guys, sa bridge. Bababa kami. So, makita ko sa inyo kung ano yung sa Christmas detention na yan. Ayan yung sa kanan. Yun. Yan. Saan ba? Saan ka ba camera? Yan, dyan sa kanan. Yan, dyan nagtatrabaho si, Kabayan's Corner. Dyan siya nagtrabaho. Yan, kung saan kami, yan, nakalagay yun. Detention, prison, division. Ayan. Dyan si, Kabayan's Corner nagtrabaho. Sa detention, prison, division. So, Camp Pasilia na tayo guys. Dito na yung base sa loob. Dyan sa loob. Dito talaga sa loob ng na to is grabe ang traffic dito kasi halos nandito dumadaan yung mga malalaking truck. Kasi dito sa loob, dito yun may maraming mga kampanya dito sa loob. Mga iba't ibang company dito. So later, honey, we don't need to go back here. We can go just there. Straight. Yeah. sea water or what? It's clean
No.
water or
Can't tell.
so ang oras ngayon ay nasa 7:44. Yeah. 7:44. Nakaano na kami 21 minutes.